For ingredients, we have Li Hing Mui, sugar, cherry tomato, and honey. For Li Hing Mui, we call Hua Mui in Cantonese and Hua Mei in Mandarin. For sugar, we call Tang in Mandarin and Tong in Cantonese. For cherry tomato, we call 車厘茄 in Cantonese and 聖女蕃茄 in Mandarin. For honey, we call 蜜糖 in Cantonese and 蜂蜜 in Mandarin. After the water is boiled, we are going to add the Li Hing Mui into the water and let it cook for a while. And also, we need to add sugar to let the whole thing taste sweet. So now we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of sugar and then to taste the sweetness of the sauce. After cooking this sauce for a while, you can see the color is turned a bit little light yellow, and then now you can cool down this sauce, and then we're going to do the next step. And then we are going to boil another batch of water. After boil this, we are going to boil the tomato for 30 seconds. And after this 30 seconds, we are going to take out the tomatoes and cool down. Okay, after we boil the tomato and cool down, it will become something like this. So you can see it is really easy to remove the skin of the tomato like this. Look at this. And then what we are going to do is remove the skin of the tomato, and then we're going to marinate the tomato in the sauce. And now look at this, how beautiful it is. Okay, after we peeled the skin off the tomato, and then we're going to marinate this tomato first. We need to add 1 tablespoon of this honey, and then we're going to mix this to give an intense flavor for the marinade sauce. This. And then we add tomato. And then we are going to put this marinated tomato in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. And then we can serve this really sweet and sour